Hello everyone, Ace here with a Christmas DIY $5 Goodwill challenge all mixed in one. This is the box that I got from Goodwill. As you can see, it was $3.09. And it has all of this really nice white type of poinsettia with the silver berries. So we have several of those. And I kind of found a surprise when I got home. Not only did it have several of those, but it also had these silver ball picks. You can see them. There are 4 of those. And that's just one by itself. So that's pretty cool. And then it also has some green berries and some white berries, sort of sparkly white berries, and a nice chevron black and white bit of ribbon, and 4 very large pine cones and 1 little pine cone, all in one box for $3.09. So I decided we're going to make a swag out of all this cool stuff that was in the box. So I'm starting with this long strip of cardboard. And I think I'm going to make this a table swag, which is why the cardboard is so long. Maybe if I turn it, you can see it a little better. There you go. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to lay it out how I want it. Figure out where I want all the little parts to go. And then we'll work on using our glue gun to glue down everything and make it beautiful. I'm not sure how well I'll be able to do this with one hand, but we'll give it a go. Maybe I'll pause it while I lay it out and then show you what I come up with after it's glued together. But that's kind of where this is going. So I'm going to pause this, and then I will come back and we'll glue it together. Okay, so here we have everything laid out the way I'm going to glue it down. It might not look super great right this moment, but once it's all glued down, it will look better because there won't be any gaps, and I will also be putting in little bows and spaces in between. I was able to find some ribbon from a while back that will look great with it. It's a white ribbon with silver snowflakes. I don't know if you can really see the snowflakes. But I'm going to be putting some of that in there. And I haven't decided yet if I'm going to use the black and white chevron ribbon. I may use that on the back or something. We'll figure that out when we get to it. So I'm going to go ahead and glue everything down and put in the ribbon, and then I'll show you what the final product looks like. See you in a minute. Okay, so this is the finished product. It's for the table. You see on the ends we got the spray going on. In the middle we have the space for the candles. We have a couple of bows there. And I think it's going to look beautiful on the Christmas table for Our Lady's Christmas party. And that is the finished product. So I hope y'all like it. A whole lot of hot glue and a little bit of time later, that's what we come out with. Thanks for watching. Bye.